In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lo-fi synth in Soundtrap. We're going to create that cozy, nostalgic vibe using the tools built right into Soundtrap, keeping it simple and musical so you can get a great result fast. Start by adding a new instrument track. Choose Synth from the instruments list, then pick a soft, warm preset to build your tone. Electric piano and pad sounds make a great bass, while a gentle soft lead can sit on top for melody. Don't worry about perfection yet. We'll shape the sound into a proper lo-fi texture as we go. Lo-fi thrives on mellow tones, so let's tame the highs. Open your filter or EQ and use a low-pass filter to roll off the top end around 8 to 10 kHz. This instantly removes harshness and adds that smooth blanket over the sound. If your tone feels thin, add a small boost in the low mid-range, roughly 200 to 500 Hz to warm it up, but be subtle to avoid muddiness. If your synth has detune or unison, nudge the detune slightly to add analog-style wobble and keep unison voices low so it doesn't turn harsh. Next, lay down simple, repetitive musical ideas. Lo-fi isn't about complexity, it's about mood. A classic progression you can try is C major 7 to AM7 to DM7 to G7. For melodies, stay in a pentatonic, major, or minor scale and keep the notes short and gentle. Lowering note velocity helps everything feel relaxed and soft. To make it groove, ease off perfect quantization. In Soundtrap, open snap to grid and add a touch of swing, or reduce the snap so your notes sit slightly off grid. A little goes a long way, and those tiny imperfections are what make it feel human. Now add effects. Open FX and start with reverb. Pick a medium to large space, but keep the mix low, around 20 to 30% for a dreamy tail without drowning the notes. Add a subtle delay, either a quick slapback or a dotted delay at low feedback, to give gentle movement. Use EQ again to trim highs above 10 kHz for extra warmth. If available, lightly add tape, bit crusher, or soft distortion presets for a vintage edge. Keep them subtle to avoid grit overload. Finally, create texture with layers. Duplicate the track and choose a soft pad or bell to sit underneath or above the main sound. Pan the layers slightly left and right to widen the mix, and keep the added parts quieter so they support rather than overpower. And that's your lo-fi synth foundation and Soundtrap, warm, relaxed, and ready to vibe.